Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. In this case, it's Polybag 30447, and this is Captain America's motorcycle. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video and you like the LEGO Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these a day for the foreseeable future. So, anyway, just something to think about. Also, make sure you turn on notifications if you're interested, because you want to make sure YouTube lets you know. Alright, so I know I'm going to have to do this for sure, so I'm going to put my wheels together. Also, in the description, I've included links for Amazon and Bricklink if you want to build along with me and find these sets. I've also included a link to Brickset for this particular set if you just want information. There is also a link in the description for a Google spreadsheet doc that has all of links to all of my Polybag build-alongs and the videos and information about them and all kinds of stuff, as well as upcoming ones. So, like, if you want to, get ahead of the game, so to speak. Alright, so this is Captain America. And this particular set, it doesn't look like there's a whole lot to it, building-wise. I think it's mainly a kind of like a character set, like a little character polybag. It's kind of in the same vein as like the, the Thor and the Cosmic Cube thing, that kind of thing. Alright, so we got our motorcycle and our motorcycle body. And so this just kind of snaps down like so. And we snap on the wheels. So as assembly goes, not a whole lot to it. So we got our motorcycle. Now next we have to do the sidecar. So for the sidecar, we have this goes in here. I'm assuming we're going to make it goes flush to here, to this side. And then this goes right here, like so. Alright. I'm not sure how far down this is going to go yet, but we'll find out soon. Okay. So we build the sidecar. So this, and this goes on the bottom. This goes on the bottom and sticks out a little bit. And then this goes here. This is weird. Alright, this is one I've never seen before. So you're setting it up so this sits between those two. Alright, I guess. This goes here, like so. It goes right there. Goes on the front. Alright, so this is our little cannon thing, which, I'm still not a fan of these little Lego, shooting Lego pieces things. But we got a Lego Shooty Cannon thing. And then this snaps here for the wheel. This takes care of wheel number 1. This snaps in like so. And okay, I was kind of curious about this. So Captain America's shield, if you can look down in there, it's got the area for the minifig to hold on to, but it's also a little rounded area so it can hang over something like this. So we can hang it from the front of the motorcycle if we're so inclined. And then Cap can ride the motorcycle like so. Well, not really that much to this particular build. And you got one little extra piece. But I can see it being sort of fun to play with, maybe. I don't know. What do you think? A little bit simplistic as sets go? Or is the main goal just to get Captain America out of this deal? I'm guessing it's just to get Captain America and his motorcycle onto the deal. Anyway, if you can think of any polybags you'd like to see me try, or if you have any suggestions or questions or whatever, let me know in the comments. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.